Hey Steve, thanks for your time earlier today, and I wanted to produce this video for you as promised and show you the two things that are really going to set apart whether or not our clients are successful with Facebook ads and really alleviate the concerns that you shared about the abundance of leads without the quality leads. The first thing is the targeting. How are we setting the audiences in the tool, and how are we attempting to reach the ideal customer? And the second piece is the actual ad and the ad copy. Once you're in front of the right people, are you saying the right things in order to get them to convert into a customer for us? So with the audience targeting, you want to target all possible placements when you're running ads inside of the Facebook Ads Manager because it's going to allow Facebook to find the most efficient conversions for the budget. That means if someone's browsing their Facebook news feed on a given day and you have chosen to only show IG as placement, for example, Facebook's not going to show your ad to those people in a separate group. So, Facebook in that example. So I've brought some ads that are running and active here to show you what I mean. This ad here is only running on Facebook. This ad here is only running on Instagram. And this ad here is doing a better job of showing both placements. So they're not missing out, if someone's browsing Facebook versus Instagram on any given day, for example. This is one of the most common things that people do incorrectly, and it really hurts ad performance in both the short term and the long term because you're simply missing out on conversions that would have otherwise happened. Facebook is really smart, and the last thing they want to do is waste your budget on things that don't work because that means you're going to stop advertising on their platform. So it's important that you're targeting all possible placements. So recapping here, you want to cast a wide net and target the broadest possible audience. Then with the ad copy, there's a very structured way that you want to write the copy to get someone to convert. So we're going to pull up an example here. We can see that this does attempt to grab attention here, say goodbye to your stretch marks forever with our scar treatment, but it's missing some key elements. You want that to be a headline, you want to have a captivating image, and we'll cover all that right here. So, this type of copy might work decently well if someone already knew they wanted microneedling, but the majority of Facebook users are going about the course of their daily life. So for you to put something in front of them that disrupts what they're doing and get them to take action, you need to write copy in a very specific way. You need to write copy that resonates with people emotionally. And going back to these ads here, they do a few things well, but they don't really, pull on people's emotional strings enough to properly convert these to customers. They do have captivating images. This one here is buy one, get second, 50% off. Great offer, but they're taking up space with their phone number here. They can't really click on the phone number. So you really want to hyper focus on the offer in the images. Again, some other ads here with great images showing off the offer, but the copy here is not as specific as we want to get. And the process that we use is called AIDA, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. So we want a headline that grabs their attention, and from there we want to transition them into someone that's actually interested in what we're offering, and then stoke their desire, followed by an immediate call to action. And it's got to be really specific like that. Now here's a great example of a captivating ad on Facebook and what we're looking to achieve. A captivating before and after image. And then the copy, the headline, here you go. Here's how to get back that youthful glow in just 90 days without looking fake, plastic, or overdone. So immediately someone that has maybe been considering that they want to touch themselves up, they see this headline and they're immediately hooked into the ad, even if they didn't know what microneedling was. Then we move on into sparking their interest and how they're going to achieve these results. But we live in an incredible time in history. There have been tremendous advancements in what is available to help us look as young as we feel. And then you give them details to stoke that desire without looking fake, plastic, like you've had work done. And here's the secret. It's to combine the right mix of treatment, et cetera, et cetera. And then an immediate call to action. Apply for the program here. The copy does go on for a while, but basically you click on that and apply now. It's very prominent. And it follows that specific process, which is attention, interest, desire, and action that we want to follow. So recapping here, you want to make sure when you're targeting that you're casting the widest net possible and targeting a broad audience so that your ad has a chance to reach as many people as possible. and your ad copy. You want to follow that hyper specific format of grabbing their attention, giving them details that spark interest, and then stoke their desire with an offer, and then immediately a call to action. So there's a really big opportunity here. Most of your clients are likely missing out on a lot of potential conversion volume coming through Facebook and Instagram. So if we make these changes, I'm fairly confident that we can provide a fairly dramatic turnaround for your clients, and hopefully we can provide a solution that you're proud to share with your clients. Thanks again, Steve, and we look forward to following up with you soon.